Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today is Saturday and it's 1:18 in the afternoon. I've got an event in the city at 2 o'clock. A couple of my friends are going to be there. Don't exactly remember who's going, but I know Ali's going because she's my plus one. But yeah, I'll show you guys what the event looks like once we're in the city. So we're here at Pilgrim, so this is just right next to Federation Square. So Fed Square is just up that way, and that's the Yarra River. Really, really pretty. I've always walked past this place. I've never really thought I would actually come here for a drink, but here we are. I was invited by one of our friends here. So I'm waiting for the others to arrive. I don't think any of them has arrived yet. I think this goes from 2 to 4, and I'll show you guys around, taking the views, and such a beautiful day. Alright, so I've ordered my first drink, and this one is called 4 Charms, and this is Joe's recommendation, so let's try it out. It's really good. I like it. Look guys, it's Ali.
Hi!
Last time I saw her she had dark hair, now she's got reddish.
My hair is always different.
Always changing. It's the same with me.
So many times. Mina, 4 times. 4 times, not 4 times. 4.
So this is what we normally do before the gram. Trying to get ready.
Oh, we're doing it. Everyone just do what they want. We're taking turns.
Oh yeah.
Small movements. Ready, set, go.
Okay, everyone's done with their social media. Now you get to say hi.
Hi! Hello!
So we're just gonna catch up and enjoy the views.
You guys are King Angling. Taking our charcuterie cone. Nice mini cheese roll.
Oh, nice. I'll take one. Thank you.
It's exciting.
Belly armor, bitch.
Alright, we got more food. Let's go eat. Yum! Hey guys, so the event is done and now we're here at Melbourne Central. I've met up with my cousin. We're going to wait for my parents and my sister. We actually went into Sephora. I actually looked at the new the new Beauty Blender foundation. I did order it. I did use it last night. I had 220, but that was really way too light for me. Like I had to really bronze the hell out of my face and use like a dark setting powder just to make it work. But yeah, I just went inside and looked at color matches and stuff. So I'm gonna see if I can return it. I don't know if you can return stuff. I think you can. But yeah, it's just way too light, so I couldn't really use it. So hopefully I can return it and get the shade that's more workable for me. I honestly prefer foundations that are a little bit darker as opposed to really light, because then I can always just work with concealers. Hey guys, so we are now here at Texgen. We're here for Korean, actually no, Japanese barbecue. I keep saying Korean barbecue. Anyway, guys, I've seen Nicole, and that's my sister over there stretching. Guys, I've seen my mum and my dad. So we're just here for like a family dinner, and then after that I'm gonna go home because I need to film.
Ito, part lang siya to o hindi? Ito yung in-order natin na.
Wala yata.
So that's pork then.
I think so. Hey guys, it's the next day. I probably should have started this vlog a little bit more, with a little bit more structure, I should say. So if you guys don't know, my parents are here. They're visiting from Hong Kong. My sister's here for uni. And ever since they got here I think Tuesday. yeah, I've been hanging out with them like after work and dinners and stuff like that. Today is Sunday. I've pretty much just spent the day at home with my partner, just, you know, doing things at home, just chilling. And now I'm going to make my way into the city. We're going to go for dinner again. This time we're going to go, I think they wanted to do Thai, so I might take them to Do Dee Paidang, which is the one that Nicole took us, like my partner and I, to a few weeks back. So yeah, we're gonna check that out because I really want Thai. Otherwise, there's a couple of Thai restaurants near their apartment that they're staying at. Sorry, I haven't really been vlogging or doing much on YouTube. I kind of took a little bit of a break for January. If you guys aren't familiar with how YouTube works and stuff, basically ad revenues go down in January, and sometimes it's very disheartening to create a lot of content when you're not being rewarded for it when you normally are. Not that I'm saying that I only do it for the money, but it does kind of affect the way you think sometimes. Especially the fact that YouTube doesn't really push the views anymore. It wasn't like back in the day where if you were subscribed you'd automatically see it in your feed. These days it's only if your video does well, and when ad revenues are down, videos don't tend to do very well. So a lot of you guys don't even actually see the video. So for me, it's more of like, well, what's the point if you guys aren't going to be able to see it? Like, even if you have your notification bell, which I've heard does help, but some of you guys don't actually see the videos pop up on your feed even with the notification bell. So it's kind of like this endless loop of just like, well, I'm not going to bother in January because this is what's going to happen anyway. So expect more videos in February. I'll probably go back to 2 videos a week routine. I'm getting like these really, at the moment, getting these really weird breakouts like in the weirdest parts of my face. Like I've got one here and I've got one like here in my ear. It's just so annoying. At least the rest of my face is clear. Oh, by the way, today I am wearing the Solotica Hydrocore Ipanema contacts. Again, if you guys want discount links and stuff, check out the description box down below. But yeah, I kind of wanted to wear these ones today and see how they go. Hey guys, so I'm now in the city and I've met up with my family. They're just in the church. So we're Catholic, but I don't go to church, and I think that's like a very controversial topic for a lot of people, especially if you're Filipino. Like I just don't. I'm Catholic, I still believe, I just don't go to church here, mostly because I feel like whenever I'm at church, people just judge me, and it just makes me feel uncomfortable. So, you know, if you guys are like me and, you know, you're part of the LGBTIQ+ community, but you still believe in your faith, but you just don't go to your place of worship, or you don't actively participate in the religion just because you feel like you're being judged all the time, definitely let me know, because I feel like it's not very common to find someone that still has a belief in a higher power, but and, you know, being true to yourself. Anyway, they're done. We're going to go to Do Dee Paidang. So I'll leave a link down to Do Dee Paidang down in the description box down again. But yeah, in the city, quite noisy. I actually had a few people like just staring at me while I'm talking to the camera. I think my confidence is back for vlogging, so hopefully that sticks around. Alright guys, so we're now seated at the restaurant. It's quite noisy, as you guys can probably hear. It's pretty packed. That's my sister. Just having a look at the menu, and I remember the last time I was here, I found it really spicy, which I still carried through. Like I still went through with it. I ate the whole thing. My stomach was not happy at the end of it, but I made it. So I'm going to try and do that again today, because I really need to get my spice tolerance back up. Ooh, this one looks good, but it says no noodles, so I don't know how that works. I'm very confused. Anyway, I think I'm just going to go with that one, then just add like my own spices, because they've got some here. That way I can control it, and then just get more food. No, hello.
What's this? This is the quail egg?
Quail. There's a lot of food. A lot of food. We always seem to order so much, but we end up finishing it all.
Oh, sorry.
No, hello.
What's this? This is the quail egg?
Quail.
Well done.